So bafethu we back with another video bafethu. I'm going with uStompy bafethu lo Nicky bafethu. So na bafethu ithini indaba yenu yobufebe bafethu livala very rolani.
Bathi ngiqedile Doris.
Vele liqedile Doris.
Like actually nabantu abayi2. Yabo.
Oh, jwale two same time.
Like
bedlala nabanye abantwana.
Yeah, bedlala nabo bekungasikujola.
Bedlala.
Njengami
so
So bekutraining kahle.
besiku training.
So yadlalisa abantu yadlalisa kahle kahle.
Sidlala nabo bese into akudala manje.
Woni ngabadlali.
Oh belingadlali ngenhliziyo.
Yeah, besingama tying leg. In
10 rand. Well, let me show you 10 rand. Sure.
Also like nathi sayidlala igame abafuna ukuyidlala.
Oh bandlala igame.
So la ndiyakhona uyidlala.
So nami ngidlala ngocansi.
Hayi
Do that.
BJ.
Ali give vele.
Mina.
Ali give vele.
So saseyichinji.
So linamali jolela for in hamba no. What's
Ufunani kahle ngimjolile.
Mina for me. Thando.
Uthando.
Yeah.
Yini uthando vele?
Definition yakho.
I-description yothando yini uthando? Ntwana umsize ukakwazi uthando. Wena what's love for you ntwana?
But then one thing about I don't believe in love.
I don't believe in love ntwana. So ntwana wena so love is not the key to happiness.
Yeah.
So like
so yini ekwenza happy?
Yeah, bangihetha.
Serious?
That's why I want to sing by it. Papa.
So ne focus.
So the focus. Serious. So when am I like webe uheta ngani like longest relationship yakho bengaki ntwana?
1 year 5 months. Very slow. That's one thing I can say.
Mara bela ko drought sommusi 1 year 3 years.
1 year.
1 year 3 months.
Lina bafethu ngajwalo gele for 1 year ngawugayishi. Angeke. Vela ishayini. Wona longest face ingane. 4 years. 4 years. 4 years. Lokuyiti. Unanga. Hayi
16.
Hayi kathi abakwazi
No, inkinga like yangihlonipha.
Sure. So uyakubheja.
No, akudona umfana ngibheja ngisana.
So it's for free this one. So now we kahle uyimahari yabo.
No, it's all like phela ukuthi ngijole naye abengibheja yabo.
Sure.
Yeah.
So since lina lonke liyamathithi ntwana uzibona like how much rate yourself.
Uma wazivaluation like umarket yabo. Mabe kulobona. Uthi something.
Amachichi abantwana yabo. Amachichi.
So nje abafana babe banisukela.
Labaya. Bebasukela iphaya
bonke
ngijolile kodwa so wena usiya uthe ugeliloni wayefuna ukujola la for imali yakhe
shito ni gold
okay wife
usho khona usho kanjani
this mean we gold
angisho mina echaza
okay emlika siya ne asangisajola and stuff uyena bekangifuna yabo and then nami bengimfuna but then ngabona ukuthi hayi lo
mina honestly like I always don't do
le mali
so ni type yakhe njani kahle eza taxi
what's your type
umhlophe umlungu
no like yellow but then yeah
right
yakho ke
mara mfuna udaka kanjani type abamnyama
chocolate
ufuna udaka
ubemnyama nelendlela ukuthi umnyama kulokabami
Hey Jimmy, it's going down, it's finished njengoba
vela kuyenza izinto baba bengayali
wena ntwana ufuna kanjani
mina ngifuna yabo abodaki yeah no othol
umuntu
nesidwadlo
okay
umjito ogqokayo so wena kahle kahle ufuna abagqokayo lwana neyegqokile mara ka umboni yamboni
ngicela uvumile
umbone green lo awumboni
ongcono
so So when but we still going on. So since sinalithi nabedlala abantwana babantu like so umuntu vele mnandi like
bawuntshontshinya mebhodini
umtshontshela vele
umuntu
umnandi suke wamudla
live suke watshontshe
so wayenza lento yokudla umuntu
so wena ma bekutshontshelwa ungafila kanjani
ngeke ngitshontshele
umuntu wakho bekutshontshelwa lenyanga
ukuthathele
angeke ngenze lutho angezidame ngifake phakathi
bro hey guess onafa so wena like wena mawubhekile like umjida like ugele umele wela amajida mangani 1
Yes.
so ninamayisha ama-2 wafa
No, mina ngishaya
Besi
ngena enzi 2
yeah
yakudala yabo.
dala
so shitha debe denhliziyo eziyi-2 big then
okay nibayethile bonke labo bafana bo2
Abothuba.
wena labi 2
anisho
Ya besijwayela nabangane like.
Sure.
Ngane kamngane.
sure
even labo mzala babo
Nabomzala babo.
so benikufamily kahle kahle
liya groove guys
Mina no.
wena ke
mina ya
ya groove ma groove abo
Angizithanda izinto zakho. Yes.
ngingamanje ngisaqala ngiphansi lezo Sonic nesimouse lawo zalala
uthi groove la masonic around la
so manje uthe uyimalini la ku market ivalue yakho ku market awusaspend la thi imalini la ku market mawubhekile noma makakubulobola lobona inkomo engaka or imali engakanani
mina
yeah
hayi 10 ncane
10,000 iyo oyiduyisho ntwana
inkomo
yeah hayi imali asithi imali
hey half a million
500,000 uwafuza abe yini
okay ushaya 360
million
ashaya 360
akashaya 360
ngizobonisa
ithi ke ngikhuluma reason yami okay maybe ngathi lo future ne cause angithi kuthiwa like mawushada and stuff ushada usu
yeah
so what if really
mina ngiyakunderstand that's why ngicela that's why ngicela 3 ngifuna ukuthi yini evelwa by half a million like
so wena so uzoshada so iyo icho vethu uzoshada so
seni
wena mawushada mawushada uqale
qala ngi
yini kathi ntona yini
qala ngi
so no
generation le
wona bancane so wena ubhekela umshado usebengaki
mina ngishada ngingangani
mara okay when uzibona ushada in the future lapho you just talking for fun
hayi nisibona ngishada
you don't want to shada
angeke vele
So you can't shada. So you prefer changing boys namhlanje ntwana you never have a straight life but asikhona ntwana wena uprefer ntwana uzoshada wena uzibona uqualify kushada
so wenza malini
wena
uzoshada
ukushada mawubhekile uyashadeka vele hayi manje
so bona umshado forever
hivi
Baby.
akwaye ngathi abazinyashi yodwa I don't know there we still going on really. So like in Dwana like as you were saying like ufuna when ufuna a private wedding or a white wedding
ufuna ukumema umuntu public
when ufuna public ufuna white wedding or I see public wedding the public is just go on the street but abafeni kwale fanele ushada yini
cela ushange 360 ke sibona awunisisha ama 360
abafuni nama 360
mara
Baby, pay.
babe or 15 years Okay. So lina bafeti na like liqani njolo ngiqale ngayo.
Ngiqale nga-12.
Manje unangayo.
Amanye
Manje
nangayo.
ngine-17.
So siku industry sine 4 years.
Usuna 5 years. Usebenzela 6.
So sisebenzela 6.
Asune experience.
So wena uqale ngayo. 11. Baqala ijola la ukuthi bena ngaki yabo ntwana. Like so sifumba kwa so sisile guys. Uthe na 11. 11. Sachaima. Besashama. Aba
Sacela proof ukuthi ngicela ungiprovele ukuthi uyangithanda.
Did you pass that phase of study proof? So i-proof yekwa.
Nawo baniki proof.
Kiss.
So even dabazi i-proof yempela lokhi kiss cause you are saying
Anikaniyazi.
aniyazi inyama vele.
Ichipije nyana. Awazi so shayipije.
So dabukeli ipono. Ayike if bengayazi inyama ababukeli ini ipono bafethu.
Okay.
So ngithetha nikazi ukuthi sende so lokho leyo anikazi kayiwani nje.
Ngichaza ngani?
Unevele ngisekolejini.
Yeah, alright. Ayikhuluma iqiniso, right.
Ntwana.
So do you regret?
Just brief us about istokwa njani ntwana.
Yeah, regret ukulose virginity yakho.
Let a cook chief make a cook. Let a cook chief. Let a cook.
Ngiyaregrets yo.
So
Univume ro.
Nje but manje.
So indlela asivulekile manje.
Was it nice or it was fun?
So ungayiphinda futhi. Ngiyabuza ungayiphinda futhi ngiyabuza nje. Yeah.
Lo muntu oyibani? Yeah.
So ungayiphinda nobanda part kwethu.
Lo muntu wami.
Lo muntu wakho.
Akekho umuntu ongaphinda naye la.
So manje, so you chief ne, if lo mayisithi uvulile na, how do you feel mase uxoxela ama experience no awazi?
Ngicela ngoba don't understand into ayishoyo.
So
usasevalile.
umuntu.
Lo ngikhulisa.
Uyafaka umuntu.
Yeah, khuluma iqiniso.
Ngicabanga ukufakisa last year yabo. Mara manje yabo ngoba like sengiyahlola ngosay.
Mara umuntu wenza next year.
No, phela la ugena uthi yahlulwa after ukufaka umuntu.
Yeah, mama business.
So laba
Bengazi mina ukuthi yabo ma faka isandla kakhulu.
Umunwe noma iminwe.
wena defaka umuntu imini.
Umunwe.
No, it's
Omncane, the small one or the index one or the fucker one. No. Umefaka ni?
Obvious angiboni.
Ona boso ngeke so umuntu.
When you must enjoy your Wait. So ntwana mawuthi umjida like when amadu sizwa lo umuntu lo does it mean ukuthi umjida defaka this distance?
Mina hayi. Yeah.
Mara kumnandi. Akuleke ukhothi right. Ukhothi.
Wena ungamkhothi futhi.
So that one.
No, I don't do
Is here
afukothi ndumbe wale.
but this
Anikhothana.
Ziyakhothana like
Wena wakhotha ungamkhothi.
No, she needs to quote too.
angikhothi.
So akusi
Manje ehambe ke makonjalo ngingimkhona.
So nifuna ukuyizwela ku Russian level mawusidli iRussian.
mawukhotha.
Hayi uthi uyiquote yona kwa.
Actual thing.
Like how you don't want to test it.
Ngizoyikhotha maybe 22 yeah.
22.
So sikhuluma ngokuthi maybe 6 years from now. So yonke leminyaka leyo ungakhothi.
Okay. Alright, Tobuza. So when very chief, this is not making sense. Okay. When I was so special about your virginity.
Yini like why is igcinile vela hlahla?
Ukhona le virgin ngemva ngapho umuntu. lonke le ama-virgin
Serious?
yini kanti why lithanda ukuzenza special ama-virgin like sometimes special
Yini ninaye abanye
kanti yini abanye yini like elila ama-virgin abanye ogila abanganayo because what's the point of ukuthi like ufa into leyani ingadliwanga
khona uyiphiwe ukuthi uyinika abantu emhlabeni uyanisha but wena uwocommentile kuleya content leya Lontuzi yabona le video leya abafana labaya ubani wakhona umuntu wakhomentayo wathi wena siya ngepipe elincane whatever so umlazela people like
umuntu onepipe elincane
so nathi uyayibheka i-print
futhi like ngangajolina ngangimkhulisa
nafuthi ngamnyala cause
so amkhulisa wamuza ukuthi unepipe elincane
no ngaze ngimnyabe ngibambani engenalutho nyabe
mina ngabona comment
umuntu ezihambela laphana uyabona ipipe so that means if you guys are watching football ezindlini la benibheka ama-Bible then now is making sense imagine umuntu omama othanda ukubukela ibhora mfethu
abanamanga la
awubheka ibhora
so ngesikhathi sebhola unebupeleni
ibhola and stuff
and stuff yini leyo stuff
but then I don't watch soccer
so
because I don't relate
ntwana lanse selikela book guest house
ngangacishe ngahamba but
babekubhukhela
like yobona laphana kusanama i-flex seat ntontoni last year yabo so sasiplanile nomngani wami ukuthi sovaya mara kwahamba yena omngani esami story sangisaqina kithi
so wagcina
sengasihamba mara yena wahamba
mara if wena wawithola i-chance wazovaya i-guest house
hayi guest
mara wena yini izinto osuzizwe nge-guest like
kwenzakalani lapha mara yikho into emanisa ukuhlabisana kuwanisha
guest
marona akuwa isekho into emanisa ukuhlabisana
yaphela but then I need guest
mara kuwa isekho into emanisa
wena how do you feel ma umdide ukubhadalela i-guest like ufila kanjani
ngibhadalela guest
uthi le-guest wena uqualify for i-guest
so udlelwa awuthi yakudlala kuphi umuntu wakubreak i-virginity wakubreakela kuphi
Chief, I think you are going too far.
No, sifuna ukwazi siyacela.
No, Chief, what if Chief it's a wrong place again?
Ngathi mina ngendaweni ongamela nganenzela.
Nabo ghost bathanda ama quick. But we can't say when a ghost boy when you ithandi quick. So like intwana wena ungayi guest
ngiye guest ngoba like dala ngizwa bathi wangene guest obvious
odaluzo mara yebo ghost nezibonela phela la umele ibona ndoni umele yebone guest
uzibonela
ekawubona mawubhekile yini ka ungafuna icabo okay lo
Try saseyichichi
azula manga umuntu lo
so labafana bakusukela nje
good like why
so nje labafana babengasuka like bazoqama amanga like bathi wena bakuvile
obvious like bangithi bathi mina ngijole neDoris yonke
bathi ngisha i-team Doris
which is angazi ukuthi
lebhake ethiwa iDoris so
fana ne-end
bathi afika nje ugelo usha isiDoris yo awamajita afika I think ubeki episode
mina sengibuza
ngiyazi ngoba angazi ngibashayise
ngiyabashayisana yabaningisha okay
so when a gospel what do you have David what can you say
so mfethu mina ngikubuza if ungazi rate out of 10 ingani
ngiyazenzane
ungazi rate out of 10 ingani
20
Please concentrate, Chief, please. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. You saw shut one. What's one thing that is missing that you see as we cannot see?
Mhlambe siyibona ifisha mara siyibona.
Okay, limbone 9 out of 10. 10. Ngenxa yani?
Late.
Alright, asqale unali hip. Unasi spoon.
It is a spoon.
Iface.
Yes.
Ilokuzeni namabele akhona.
Yes.
Where do you see the bellies? Because I can't see.
Kubona chest
So lapho ushutha lamabele amakhulu
abanye yeah.
So okay, ntwana like when sina ex amangaki ntwana?
No.
Sina ex amangaki?
Yeah.
Ntwana ex amangaki? I5, I10, I10. Ale 20.
Maningi mama. Awadi.
Majensi umuntu lo lama ex more than 20 kodwa uyithi.
Mara into ngizibuza nje ona labafana laba why bakusukela ngesex?
Vela bathi afika kakhulu bathi ungena isex uyayihlaba.
Kawona nje kusukela inyoqamba manje indawo. Into engekho
ngoba ne bafuna ukubuka
like bafuna get ama points ngami and mina ngikho la
wena bakudlanga
wina ngathini
laba
Kanti uyazi lo le. So like this is an open question ne. Then what do you say about amajida aposta abogeli babo 24/7? Manje umpostile umjida upost ugeli upost umjida. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Is it necessary to post everything?
Is it necessary? When babe fake.
it's necessary.
So you know what I post every day. Because you know kuma status wakho. Mntwana upost every day wakho. Wena vya ngazi ukubona post umjida.
Yeah.
Mara ni post.
Mara unifuna
wena mara umpost.
ningamposta la ngimpost. So obviously.
So nakutha bakupost.
So
post ngabona ngiyazi ngiyampost.
Kuyabe kushana ngama V1 like ukuthi ujide ebuke eyedwa kuphela.
Hayi. Mina phela mangipostile ngiyamscreenshotela ukuthi okay kuvula abantu abasha.
So okay, lena mali bhekile ne. Why is it that faithful guys are bad? Like amajida ngafebiyo why bro?
Amajida ngafebiyo.
Emergency umjida ngafebiyo uyachaza? Akachazi vele. Because you won't find mistake. You won't find mistake. Umuntu loyal like 100% of it.
Ngenayo loyal nayo.
But you do not give what they want.
This is the church of want to more than 20
So just labothola nabo banoku basaba ukushana noma ngamabhara.
Yeah.
Abanye basa.
So ushayisa lezi 20 ukuthi zingakushaya.
Oh yeah, let's put it like this. Let's say umjida sekuvalelele ithuli lodwa erumini. Mase kuchaya inyama ongafuni. How do you escape uphuma njani?
Akaphumi.
Okaphumi. What you don't escape?
Angikaze ngingene endlini nomfana suthu. Ngiyake ngene naye kodwa yena uyabe ngifosta kodwa ngingafuni.
Mara xa uthe uyadlala
No, this place is playing in a pot.
hayi ngathi yadlala. Mfethu usho ukuthi itshintshi ngamampela.
Hayi, kuyintshintshi. Kuyintshintshi mfethu. So okay, like when
Mara ngijiji.
Uyira
Mara
shantana.
but then abantu abamthembi ngoba badala mjola and like
So like mina ngifuna lingichazeli nalingi two. How does this thing like operate ne ukuthi umuntu ma engazala ne into leyani yabuyela back to
yamsike ya stretch
like ukuvanja like
ukukhuluma utsho something
yeah manje uzosho ukhamba like into leyani ibuyela njani normal uthi wena do you think uthi noma ungaba nomntwana uzala uthi leyani izabuyela back to normal
caba ikhanda lomuntu
kanjani ikhanda
ayibuyela ne kodwa ayibuyeli to that yabo
so ushuthi la wasebaba nabantwana sokuvuleke sokukhamisile yahle
no iyabuyela but
iyabuyela back futhi
iyabuyela
to the normal size
umntwana
obviously umntwana uyabuyela back
nasisenje futhi nakhona iyasho
so yahlala ivulekile
iyavaleka
ha
iyabuyela to the normal size.
alright so like lina amajita kulala nalithu like you are attracted njani uthezeli sheli style sendenza njani
ninga kanjani
you are attracted njani
mina ngazi
yeah
uthathekile nje nabo angazi bayenza
ngobani vele bona laba yazi Sonic Sonic kama
Jolly nama
so wena ubadonsa kanjani abafana
ubadonsa like lilibadonsa kanjani
bona bayenza
so like lini ukuze beliphaphe lina ndaba lenzeni like sidlala kanjani style lase on go fresh
like yeah
ovechama like
mara zababukeli bangajabula ukunibona man nabayibukela bangajabula ukunibona ithombe manje ngashaya 360 nje 360 nyana
so lina liqhubani they don't trust themselves
yazi mele uzithembe mfethu angisho uthe wena
you can't be like top 10
wena uthe uyingaki uthe ingaki
Nina. What I know is that I'm not a 10 out of 10.
Njozi suku
It's 196.
yini kweshise kangaka ifole nje ziphi
Because okunye. Okunye ukuthi nami phela sometimes nami.
alright hayi since sonke sila eroomini ubani elimbona limuhle phakathi kwalo lalo
nomubi
u-A nomu-B ngubani omuhle mathi
yabona ayefi
eje ku-A noku-B ngubani omuhle
ayikho both
A noku-B
bafana
bonke bafanana bahle ukufanana akulo muhlu wedilo
bafana ya level efanayo
alright aringa into ofuna uyisho chief lo
awuzomthola uzomthola ne uzomthola umjito
awuzomthola mara utheni ona umjito
aya somjito jona naye manje uyakubrikana so lo jona naye manje yake shayina ile ntuzi ashikharama
hayi manje ujola yabo
so you niggas inalifunia alright no yebi
wena yazina yambona ungijuphilile kwazi namanga yo yazina yakwazi
no ziyala pe alright so when adwanani when you uyashesha ukheshi so like so ma umjida vele ma engayifaka yini ukheshi senkhaya yeah so when
suko wa catch up before
when isize yakho ufuna le ende
ufuna long or thick or long or thin
ufuna le ngathi ibanana or yona liyani
yeah
say the name phela uthande ngathi like ingathi sa cucumber
long and thin or thick and short
straight one highway or you want the cave or you want the furniture Mntwana uyastika. Mfethu mawubhekile ubonana ufune njani? Ufune straight wengathi kevile, wengathi libanana, ubonana ufune njani? Mafethu ubonana ufune njani mafethu?
Ayi nje ayisho ngithi yabo. Cha ukuthi uhamba njani ngayiphansi la.
Ngayiphansi.
Kodwa kulunguzile.
Wona kulunguzile. Esidongo wena ufakile wafika uphela izi.
Hayi nje vele yabona nje mara hayi. Ezinqatha ezitshela kwa umuntu ngobheka.
Hayi kurafa chief isona lifumbuzana bafethu ngaba bafika.
La uyazi.
Yafa emala cost ikhonto of uyibuza. Nakadlala. So ntwana wena what can you say like wena susuka khalisa umjida like ukuthi maqedwe ushaya umjida inyama umjida efike kulada ama paragraph.
Athi bomnandi baby.
Athi abe.
Stop besiku 8.
So
Or bake basenda.
Besende ngana ni like paragraph engaka
Ufaka yini?
Ungafaka into azikuzi
So you want wakufakela paragraph?
So when a mouse uzibona istofu sakho sikuba siku 0 siku 2 or siku 6 or siku 4 or siku 1.
Asashisa face.
Yini yasisto kasi.
So awusaphothwele naso isikhathi. Awusaphothwele naso. Sina men manzi mtshona.
Yabona manje.
Too much.
So isokuna too much mara umhlabisi. Umhlabisi.
Bacina bekhulapha.
Like yini ekwenza ungamhlabisi like umfiki noma kanjani?
Ngiyamfila but yena ukuthi
Noma ngayiwani.
Maybe ngoma September. Sengibona kahle ukuthi hayi nawo lapho.
Manje awukamboni. So usukwamka iPJ before.
Nda aye ulinde 9 months. Ulinde
Chief, you've been asking about PJ uyayifuna yini? Umdala lokho ebuza iPJ angazi ungayifuna yazi kunini libuza. Even la bethu I can even see. I mean try this for Chief. Let's focus. But it is not about it. Don't know whether if you had a chance to say wait of the day that thing about it. Abantu bekhuluma hapa. Also na uzinyuze ebantwini.
Mara yini ekwenza abantu bakhulume la
Ntwana asika Spain.
Laba abantu engijole nabo like mahlukana like
so bonke bayi-20 nihlukane kaso
no ngithi laba actually lo one actually vele angibana nawo ngajoli nayo
khathi wena ingathi uyajola mara ungajoli
ngiyajola
so kuyabe kungama-benefits so uma ubhekile ama-benefits awungaka abafana soba-benefitsisile nabafana asujole nabo uma we-estimate inamba
So silama benefits amaningi ovumjolo.
okay uma ubhekile ama-benefits akho awungakani awungakani uma ubhekile and then umjolo
Chief.
so sikhuluma ngabo 28 la
Uyafly.
kitomasona hayi
Uyafly chief. Ntwana wena wakempi wethu ntwana ungahambi. Sure.
Zithande. Love yourself before loving someone else.
yeah siyabona